Creekside Farms in Mentor, Ohio is a small neighborhood on a unusual shape and difficult piece of land that was really intended for a standard, major builder product. This is that 40 by 60 product that virtually every major builder replicates. And what we wanted to do is create not just their product, but allow them to put windows on the side corners to get a panoramic view and not just have them in a row. It's a very tight site. It has a creek going through it. It has wetlands. It needs wetland setbacks. And so we were fairly tight with the site. And as you can see, as you enter the neighborhood, we have to go through some areas that just simply we couldn't develop with units. So we wanted to create something that was interesting, that harnessed the topo of the land, and that made a grand entrance into the neighborhood. And again, like I've repeated time and time and again in these videos, it involves some preliminary grading. A lot of the reason that we also do the preliminary grading is, we've got to do it for the 3D, and, why not just as we're doing it, most of the time we just balance the earthwork while we're at it, just so it works. And again, the engineers don't have to make things work. We also wanted to keep the trees, so you can see there's some existing trees just to the right at this intersection, so we kept that hill. And typically we wouldn't, have an island. When you think about it, they're kind of wasteful. There's a mail center, but this is a one-way lane. It just worked out on this site fairly well. The staggering of the homes not only allow a panoramic view, it also breaks up the streetscape, which with these type of units can be really cookie cutter and fairly mundane. So, we're trying to create something on a very small site that's going to be different. It's going to be more exciting and more value for the people who live in the neighborhood. Things like that home setback. We're actually gaining a home by doing that. Developers may, well, it's a longer driveway. Yeah, but you gain a unit. And, so there's things that we're doing that are outside the box. This would be kind of more of a conventional plan for us. But again, the numbers work very, very well with the methods that we use.